In this video, we're going to go over the structure and function of the plantar metatarsal veins. Firstly, where are these veins located? The plantar metatarsal veins are located along the plantar surface of the metatarsal bones of each foot. If we look more closely at the veins on the plantar surface of the right foot, we can see here highlighted in red the plantar metatarsal veins. Where do these veins originate? These veins originate from the junction of the plantar digital veins around the top of the metatarsal bones. The plantar digital veins can be seen here highlighted in yellow. What are the courses of these veins? These veins run along most of the length of the metatarsal bones towards the tarsal bones. These veins have perforating veins that run between it and the dorsal veins of the foot. These veins end by forming and draining into the plantar venous arch, which can be seen here highlighted in yellow. What is the function of these veins? These veins function in transporting deoxygenated blood from the plantar digital veins and metatarsal area of the foot back up the foot. From here, the blood runs through the plantar venous arch and onwards on its way back to the heart. And that concludes this video on the structure and function of the plantar metatarsal veins.